scarf. Time to patrol. Let's see what's happening today.
Oh no, a bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal?
Do you know what the bad guy looks like?
I got it!
Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. This is what the bad guy looks like. Find out where he is. Look and find out where the bad guy is. The bad guy looks like this. Look and find out where the bad guy...
Awesome, thank you!
You're welcome.
Which path do you want to take?
Uh-oh, there's a flock of sheep blocking the road. Honk the horn to drive the sheep away. Whoa, the sheep are gone. Let's go.
Quoquo, what happened?
I got separated from my dad in the park. Quoquo, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Quoquo's dad! You're awesome! You've reached the finish line! Time to draw a prize! Cool! It's a new skin!